Hi there, everyone. This is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thanks for joining me for today's update, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. So what I'm doing is updating the cryptocurrency portfolio, something I've been doing since February 2021. And every day I update the figures, whether the portfolio has grown or contracted or expanded. It doesn't really make any difference. Just a matter of showing up and monitoring the movement. So, but before I jump into that, just want to ask you to please make sure you stay to the end of this video. And I'm going to go and put my phone on silent. Then make sure you stay to the end of this video, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video if you haven't liked or subscribed already. Now, also, I've got to do the disclaimer. This is not a financial advice video, so I'm not a financial planner or advisor, so I'm not going to give a financial advice here. And so make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research. Also, note that any kind of investing, all investors do carry degrees of risk, so do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and go into updating. So this is the spreadsheet I've been using, as you know, those who've been following this video series. And what I'm doing right now is updating. We've got three columns here: the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals figure. And the green and red, for those of you who are new, green is when it's moved forward on a previous day, and red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So when the market moves forward, we're calibrating green. When it moves backwards, in red. So you can see there's a lot of forward and backward. So yesterday we had a green day, which is good. Today's date is the 8th of November. I get my figures from this page here. It comes in from a live feed into an asset group, and get the figures here and the figures put here. So this particular portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially selected alternative coins or altcoins. And then this is the total. So on the left hand side, we've got US dollars. Right hand side, we've got British pounds or pound sterling. And this is the percentage split. So you can see, put majority of my money into the altcoins. So, go to that. Let's go back here. I'll go back to that slide in a minute. I want to take this figure here: 223,364.94. So let's enter that here. 223, I don't remember what it is. 364.94. 364.94. Correct? Yeah. So that is $1,298 above yesterday. So that stays green. Let's look at the overall figure. 288,948 of 6. 288, 940. I don't know, 40 what? 46, 88. I don't know. 948. 948. Okay. So let's do that down here. That's 4,000 above. Okay, that's 4,000 above yesterday's total. So Bitcoin, so that stays green. Bitcoin has gone up by 3,592. So Bitcoin has had a great quick start. Currently 65,000. Great quick kick start for the week. So that's good. So we had basically 3 days in a row for the portfolio going forward. Only a slight pullback in the beginning of the last 3 days for Bitcoin, but we seem to have a forward push. Let's have a closer look at the market. So yeah, it's an onwards. The market, the whole crypto market is going onwards and upwards, as you can see. And let's have a closer look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin as you can see here, the last few days has been an upwards trend. It's a great quick start to the week, and even though it appears to be going sideways, it is going on an upward trend. So that's an important thing to note. After it escaped the Gaussian channel several weeks ago, now, shall we say, escaped the Gaussian channel at the beginning of October. About a month ago, it escaped the Gaussian channel and stayed out of it. And it's managed to keep itself, above the red line and still trying to break beyond the green line. As we've been looking at watching it closely, it's been rejected slightly, but we shall see. This particular candle has 3 days and 9 hours before we see whether it can break beyond this green line. If it can break beyond this green line of 65,000, it has. We've had a high today of 66,433. If you can finally break beyond it and stay above it and actually clear it with the body, which could happen in the next week or so, we could see it moving towards a new all-time high. Again, this particular tool shows the trend, the upward trend of the last couple of days of Bitcoin. And the green and the red were coming together. Some thought they would come together so closely that they would actually touch, but they didn't. They pulled back just in the nick of time and started going in the opposite direction. So we shall see how that develops during this week. And even the yellow line has started to trend upward, which means it's a pretty strong trend. There's a trend reversal basically that is pushing the Bitcoin price up. A strong trend reversal. Ethereum is going higher and higher. It's doing really, really well on an upward trend. It's going on an upward trend, and like I said, if you look closely compared to its previous all-time high, it's surpassed that. So it is staying above that for now and heading towards the next high. So Ethereum is doing very well. Got a great kickstart to the week. Bitcoin is doing well. Got a great kickstart to this week. We shall observe them as we go through the days this week and see where they end up. Well, this is the season. This is the time. So it's no surprise if they do reach new highs. This could be a record-breaking month for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as other coins. But Bitcoin and Ethereum should be a record-breaking month of hitting new all-time highs. But we shall remain cautiously optimistic and observe. So we'll keep you posted. If you like this kind of content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website. I think I clicked on our website earlier. Go to our website, IamWealthyandRich.com, link below the video. Scroll down and get yourself on this list here. It's got some good things coming. So first of all, there's a free giveaway here, which is the mindset and investment strategy, absolutely free. Get yourself into that, get your finances in order, and then look out for certain things that will be coming your way, only for members of this list. So on the Millionaire Mindset list. So get yourself onto that list. You can come back later and watch some previous videos, but the main thing is get yourself onto this Millionaire Mindset training and investment strategy. Go on, it's free. So with that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And some people who are near wonder why the videos at the back is to just inspire you as to what the lifestyle that is available for you if you're prepared to do what it takes to attain that lifestyle. So there to give you inspiration as to the kind of lifestyle that you can have if you're willing to do what it takes to get it. But you got to start with that mindset. You got to start if you have to ask that question. You really need to really start with that mindset training more than anyone else, to be honest with you. So I would start with that urgently, with a matter of urgency, because you never attain this lifestyle if you don't have the right mindset. But with that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.